guys, I have a very lovely equation here that x square minus 1 equals to x minus 1 the whole square. How would you solve this? Now, the first step, what we can do in this is, as you can see here, it looks like an identity, isn't it? A square minus b square. 1 square is 1. So let me put it into an identity that's a plus b times a minus b. So a is x plus 1 times x minus 1 for this part, right? Which is equal to, I have x minus 1 the whole squared. Let me bring it this side. So what happens? I have x plus 1 times x minus 1 minus of x minus 1 the whole squared is equal to 0. Now, I have x minus 1 the whole square, so let me expand that. X plus 1 times x minus 1 minus, I can write it as x minus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, I have x minus 1 here. I have x minus 1 here. Let me take it out common. So, x minus 1, if I take out common, what am I left with? X plus 1 minus of x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, x minus 1 times x plus 1 minus into plus minus x minus into minus plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus x minus x gets cancelled here. You're left with 2. So you have x minus 1 times 2 is equal to 0. We are just going to multiply them. 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. When you send it the other side, you have 2x is equal to 2. Divide both sides by 2 to eliminate this 2. So you are left with x is equal to 1. Here you have got the value of x is equal to 1. So if you want to check that this value is right or not, let us substitute on this. To check, x is equal to 1. X square minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 the whole square. Let's substitute 1 back in this. So we have 1 square minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 the whole squared. That is 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0 squared. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 squared is 0. And that's true for the value of x is